If we talk about the beginners who are just coming into it, if I talk about them also, UPSC is something that would require 2 years of input. To be very honest, see, there is something called as prelims. There is something called as mains. People talk about integrated studies. Some talk about different approaches. All of that is okay. You need to understand that there are almost nearly 20 to 25 subjects जो आपको जानने होते हैं सर. उसके बाद एक ऑप्शन है जिसपे आपको कमांड करना है प्रॉपर. तो देर इज सो मच टू स्टडी. आई थिंक यूपीएससी इज समथिंग दैट विल रिक्वायर 2 years का प्रॉपर इनपुट बिफोर यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग योर फर्स्ट प्रीलिम्स. एंड आई ऑल्सो टेल वन थिंग लाइक टू माई स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो दैट जब तक यू डोंट गिव अ फुली प्रिपेयर्ड अटेम्प्ट, you will never be able to understand what were the loopholes. You will never be understand kya galti hui. Because when in first few attempts, I was not going through previous year questions. I was not going through the detailed syllabus. I was just picking up core GS ke subject, history, geography, polity hui. Because when in first few attempts, I was not going through previous year questions. I was not going through the detailed syllabus. I was just picking up core GS ke subject, history, geography, polity, economy and appearing for prelims. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था where am I going wrong. लेकिन जब 2022 में I appeared with full preparation and then I missed the cutoff by very few marks, that is the year I started understanding, okay, so these were the things that I missed upon. तो जब तक आप प्रिपेयर करके नहीं अपियर करोगे, you will not realize. 2 साल लगेंगे क्योंकि आपको 6 से 7 मंथ ऑप्शनल का कोर्स कंप्लीट करने में लगेगा, इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग इट ऑन योर ओन. अगर आप जीएस के बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स की अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करना शुरू करो, यू विल रिक्वायर सम 8 to 9 months ऑफ प्रॉपर डेडिकेटेड 8 to 9 hours ऑफ स्टडी पर डे for months and after that you have to also practice some test, चाहे वो prelims का mocks हो, चाहे वो mains का आंसर राइटिंग